Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public link in Google Drive. First, open your Google Drive and find the specific file or folder you want to share with others. Right-click on it to bring up the context menu, which offers various options for managing your content. This initial step is crucial for setting up your sharing preferences correctly and efficiently. Once the sharing window appears, navigate to the General Access section. By default, your file or folder is likely set to Restricted, meaning only specific invited individuals can view it. Click on this drop-down menu and change the setting to Anyone with the link. This crucial step makes your content accessible to anyone who possesses the unique link. With Anyone with the link selected, you now need to define the permission level for public access. You can choose between Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Viewer allows people to see the content, Commenter lets them add feedback, and Editor grants full modification rights. Select the option that best suits your sharing needs, keeping in mind the level of control you wish to maintain. Finally, click the Copy Link button to save the newly generated public URL to your clipboard. You can then paste this link into emails, websites, social media, or any other platform where you wish to share your Google Drive file or folder. Remember to test the link in an incognito window to ensure it works as intended for everyone. And remember, staying hydrated is important. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.